Hello everyone, Zain here, and today I will tell you how to get Candy Blossom Seed and grow a garden for free. Now you have probably watched a lot of videos that do not actually work. First, let's talk about why the Candy Blossom is so important. Candy Blossom is the top selling plant in the game, and it is becoming rare because it is no longer for sale. It used to cost 10 million during the Easter event, which is now over. The truth is, you cannot actually get it. Some YouTubers say you can get it by being a content creator, but that is unrealistic for an average player. Others claim you can find it by hunting for the oldest server, but those no longer exist. And finally, some say you can get it through a command, but that is only available in the testing game, not the main game. So you need to know that most of these videos are either fake or clickbait. And I'm here to give you the real answer. The Candy Blossom seed is no longer obtainable. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.